Cyberpunk 2077, you could catch a deal on it. In fact, it is now nearly half the price on PC. Now, there are some important distinctions to make here. It's not the retail price just straight up if you purchase it. Can you get it on Steam? Where are they selling on the PC? They don't have any weird like app store that is only theirs, proprietary, do they?
No.
No, so you just get it on Steam.
Yes.
Now, I guess the smart buyers in the PC gaming side figure out other ways to get these games and look for deals. On Steam right now, how much are you going to pay for this game?
Let's see. Oh.
That's going to take you a second. Well, let me tell you what you're going to pay if you do what The Verge suggests here. You can snag a code from the DRM-free GOG version of the game. This will let you get it for $35. And that code will work globally, apparently.
So, on Steam, it's $60.
On Steam, it's still the full pop, $60. Actually, I just saw the price go up on the GOG Key Global. It's $38.49. You will instantly get an activation code. I have no experience with these types of sites. Click where it says it costs $5.18 right there. I have no experience with these type of sites, these resellers with the codes and whatnot. So before I put this story and I asked Willie Do, I said, hey man, is this stuff for real? Like, what's going on? Can you vet it? Can you endorse it or whatever? And he's like, absolutely. I love these guys. This is what I do. I do this stuff every day. Whatever he said.
I've never heard of this site before. It's called Aniba.
Yeah. I think Aniba is like a repository for the codes. And then, but if you look, you're actually redeeming it on GOG.com by the looks of it. Yeah.
Yeah. There's some really popular ones. I think one is like G2A.
That's the one I've heard of in the past.
Gaming.
So you can see actually from a few different places here, Brilliant Games, Game Stars, it looks like the price is hovering around $40. The lowest being $38.49 currently, and then trending upwards to $41.35. But it looks really aggressive on this code market for getting this game. Now, obviously, we know all the stories about this game, all the problems with the game, or that people were having. But most of those problems were not on the PC side.
No.
Most of those problems were on the consoles and the old consoles.
Yes.
So some people might be thinking to themselves, you know what, I'll just pick it up on a PC and have myself a better time. And now I guess there's even potentially more reason to do so at $38.49 if you pick it up through the code, which you just endorsed and recommended. I didn't do that.
Well, make sure it's global. Apparently there's some other versions. It's like a Russian version, and then you'll get the Russian version.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's global.
It would be, you don't want that regional stuff. You need the real deal. You need the full deal. This game, look, I mean, you can go read the reviews on the website, but someone's going to give us a whole class, a whole class on this as far as how this stuff works. But I see The Verge posting about it. You say you've used it before, so take a look.